Hello and welcome to this tutorial video as we explore the building blocks feature found within Google Slides. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Building blocks is a relatively new feature found within the Google Slides application. When you are in a slideshow, on the right-hand side of the screen you will find a small toolbar menu of options. The second option down on this menu is called Building Blocks. If you click on it, a sidebar window will then open. In this sidebar window, you will find that Google has categorized different infographic options for you. They have options such as agendas, lists of information, quotes, and a contact us graphics are all there for you to insert into your slides, amongst other options. All you have to do is simply click on the option you would like. Once clicked, the infographic will automatically be placed into your slide. Once your graphic is on the slide, you can adjust the size, color of the graphics, change the text, and change the image or picture if one is included. You can also delete individual elements of the graphic. For instance, if I do not like the arrow at the top of this graphic, I simply click on it. The size adjustment highlight will show up. From there, I simply click the backspace button on my keyboard to delete it. These graphics are completely editable by the user to fit your needs. Why use building blocks graphics in your Google Slideshow presentations? It allows for a polished, professional, and creative look to your slides as you present your slide decks to your audience. This feature can be used by both teachers and students to create engaging and refined slideshows. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.